Okay, I will rev it. Good, rev it again. जो इस मेंशन की प्राइस है ना $2.5 मिलियन है, $2.5 मिलियन, और मेरी बुगाटी इससे डबल है। चाय पियेंगे आज हम। हाँ वो ब्रो चाय भी नहीं सिखा दी है मो गुलाब जामुन ब्रो फॉर मीठा।
याला बेटा
याला बेटा। और मो ने यकीन नहीं किया था, मो को लग रहा था मैं मजाक कर रहा हूँ, बट आई गॉट इट। अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू अ ब्रांड न्यू व्लॉग। तो बुगाटी आप सोच रहे होंगे रिकवरी में क्यों जा रही है, क्योंकि मैंने एक मेंशन बुक की है। आज वीकेंड है तो हमने कहा थोड़ा सा एंजॉय करते हैं। मैंने मो व्लॉग्स को बुलाया और वहाँ जाके दूसरे दोस्त, मतलब बड़ा एकदम से प्लान बनना था, तो मैंने मो के अलावा भी किसी को नहीं बुलाया। तो मो भी पहुँच गया होगा। मैंने बुगाटी लोड किया क्योंकि दूर जाना है। बुगाटी कुछ रोड पर तंग कर सकती है ना, मतलब इतना दूर नहीं मैं इसको लेके जाता ऑन रोड, क्योंकि बड़ा पावर है, ख़तरनाक चीज़ है। तो बाकी लैम्बो पे हम जाएंगे और रिकवरी पे बुगाटी लेके हमारी वहीं पहुंच रही है मेंशन में। तो आ जाओ चलते हैं, लैम्बो उधर लगी हुई है। वो मेरी मैचिंग होगी गाड़ी से। बेचारा मोह कहता होगा मुझे वेट कराता रहता है अनस। तो 20 मिनट दूर है, मोव पहुंच चुका है और मैं अभी रास्ते में हूँ। मैंने नबील को मैसेज किया था, नबील को बोला था वहाँ पहुँच जाओ, पर मसला ये है कि वो उसका मैसेज आया हुआ है कि मेरे से पूछ रहा है डिटेल्स, पर मैं गाड़ी चला रहा हूँ। मैं पहुँच के नबील से कोऑर्डिनेट करूँगा, पर मुझे लग रहा है कि आज, क्योंकि 8 बजे मेरी एक और मीटिंग है, आज सिर्फ मोह और मैं ही होंगे पूरे मेंशन में। चलो लेट्स सी, हम अपना इंजॉय कर लेंगे। मोह को मैं सोच रहा हूँ कोई ना, मोह मुझे कह रहा था मुझे पाकिस्तानी खाने ट्राई करने हैं, तो मैं उसको पाकिस्तानी खाने, देसी खाने खिलाऊँगा आज। लेट्स सी। Technically, this wheel is cheaper than the Bugatti, but
yeah, Bugatti is more expensive.
Yeah.
As this Bugatti is getting here, you are probably the worst person at maintaining Bugatti.
Yeah, check that.
Bro, what is this?
Bro, I saw it last week. I couldn't get time to get it fixed, you know.
Guys, Anas does not care about it.
Bro, we are busy driving Bugatti because, you know, summer is coming, so I will be traveling in a bit. Mo is also traveling tonight. So I thought, enjoy it, then it will go to the workshop.
Service. Guys, that's a $4 million Bugatti.
With the light hanging.
Why would you care, right? When you're making up What's up, my brother?
I'm good. How are you? Welcome to the barbecue party.
Bro, what a barbecue, guys. Look at this.
I am being barbecued right now. Human barbecue.
So guys, right now we just made it here. Anas, bro, why do you always do these crazy barbecues?
Because I was a bit bored in Dubai. I said let's go out of Dubai, and we are in UAE, but we booked a crazy mansion. It's a very big mansion, and my friends are here. Currently the friends is just Mo and me. We have to invite more friends, so we are just planning afterwards. We will invite. So check the Bentayga, the Rolls Royce, the Lamborghini, and our big boss Bugatti Chiron.
Wow, this is crazy, guys. So last time me and Anas made a video, he said he's gonna buy a Bugatti.
Yeah.
And now he bought a Bugatti.
और मो ने यकीन नहीं किया था, मो को लग रहा था मैं मजाक कर रहा हूँ, but I got it.
You got it, guys. Bro.
Okay, let us record. We'll drink it. 50 डिग्री टेम्परेचर हो रहा होगा अभी.
Bro, did you put your name on the Bugatti?
Yeah, this is my name, but I need to change the font. Anas Ali. Yeah, and this is my date of birth, 2001 March, and Z because I'm Gen Z.
Wow. you got the Bugatti. That was your first car in Dubai?
Yeah, my first car. My second car, I'm not buying more cars because I'm not sure if I will live here forever. So when I'm sure, then I'll buy a couple more. Yeah.
So I think you need a daily.
This is my daily and this is my daily. Yeah, because I like to live around in different mansions. I like to explore because my main mansion is in Pakistan. It's about 20,000 square feet. And I will take you to Pakistan and I will have you live there as well. Oh, it's a gym 24/7.
There we go.
Mo, we need to work out. Remember our last workout in Palm Jumeirah mansion?
Yeah. So that's it. Gym inside the mansion.
Don't stop when you are tired. Stop when you are done. And one interesting thing, this mansion is cheaper than a Bugatti Chiron.
Wow.
Yeah, I just checked the agent, with the agent, yeah. Yeah, literally, it's about $2 million, $2.5 million, and our Bugatti, you know how much is it?
Imagine you can buy 2 mansions.
Yeah,
with a Bugatti.
I was just, yeah. Thank you, brother. More drink.
Thank you, my bro.
Thank you. ਦਿਲ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਪਿਆਉਂਦਾ ਪਾਣੀ ਇਹਨੇ ਵੀ ਪੀਣਾ ਪਾਣੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ पंजाबी आंदी है क्या बात है अच्छा यार मैं आप लोगों को बता दूं उर्दू में भी जो इस मेंशन की प्राइस है ना $2.5 मिलियन है $2.5 मिलियन और मेरी बुगाटी इससे डबल है ठीक है तो 2 मेंशन आ जाए मेरी बुगाटी में मैं इसलिए नहीं लेता क्योंकि यार फिर मसले चीज़ें मुझे केयर नहीं मैं अपने आप को ना एरिया से बाउंड नहीं करना चाहता इसलिए या मो कैन अंडरस्टैंड उर्दू आई विल टीच मो चलो मेंशन को ज़रा देख भी लेते हैं मो ने भी देखनी है तो लेट्स डू इट मो You know, whenever I see mentions like this, I like to copy and paste in my mention, you know. I get inspiration ideas as well. Yeah. You know, I'm getting an armor man in my lobby.
Wow. This is crazy.
Yeah. And this is the living area. Yeah, we will sit and do some trading. Maybe you wanted to learn. I will teach you some and show you. We got that as well.
I don't want to learn. I want to make money.
You want money, yeah. We will sit. I will put in the money and profits are yours, losses are mine.
Bro, let's go. This is crazy, guys. So guys, over here, this is the cinema.
Yeah.
Wow, look at this. Woo! Welcome to the cinema room. This is crazy.
Mo, we should do this often. We should book one new mansion every week.
Guys, every week,
New mansion. It's on me, bro.
2026, let's go.
Yeah. And you know how much is the rent of this mansion? 25,000 dirham per night. Yeah.
I don't know if that's cheap for you or expensive because the way you said it, I feel like you think that's cheap. Okay, so now that we're in the cinema room, Anas, how much money did you make this month?
Bro, right
Be
now,
honest.
right now, just see it's now. The team message in the group, beginners book TP1. We just hit a TP1 as well. TP1 is profit, but you are talking about the account. This is the MT5, people would know. MT5 account मैं दिखा रहा हूँ Mo को. तो Mo, this is the account you trade on. This is Gold's graph. Okay.
Bro, I just want to know how much. you
Okay, I will go. Should I show you the history?
made. Just show me how much. I want to see numbers.
Bro, see. Last 2 trades, I lost money, but this month in total, I made about $325,000. Okay. But losses are part of the game. It's not, see, it's losses, profit, loss, profit. I lost $40,000 in this day. Then I made 46,000. You see the profits and losses. The streak, check the winning streak. Profit. And then loss, profit. Because the graph is not like this. Graph will go down, then this. Okay? It's not that easy. People come in because I'm informing your audience as well. People come in like I will get rich very quick. It is not quick. It's a long time game. Okay?
Wow.
So we need to educate the people as well. Yeah.
Insane.
But more next time, tell me. I will come prepared. We will sit on our laptop and I'll show you live.
You've seen the entrance to this house. We're gonna take the elevator upstairs. Here we go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Alright.
Mo, let's have a game. Welcome.
Here we go, guys. This is the Majlis. Bro, so wait, where are we gonna have our lunch today? Is it
I think let's have it here.
I
Yeah.
think so, right?
Yeah, I need you to try some Pakistani dishes. Pakistani खाना खिलाऊंगा मैं आज Mo को.
What's the best Pakistani food?
Bro, usually it's biryani, but I have to think what else should I, because you have had biryani, right?
Yeah.
Mandi. Maybe Mo को चाय. Have you had chai? Pakistani chai?
No.
No. चाय पियेंगे आज हम.
Chai Pien Jago. Let's go. Chai Pien Jago. That's it, right?
Yeah, no. चाय पियेंगे आज हम. चाय
Chai
पियेंगे
Pienge
आज.
Aj Ham.
हाँ, oh bro.
Chai Pienge Aj Ham.
Mo is desi now. Desi.
Desi Mo. Desi Bling? No. Desi Mo.
Desimo. We will launch our own show, bro.
So since Anas booked this place for us to do a barbecue, we're checking out the house. It also gives Anas a design for his house in Pakistan.
Yeah, definitely, but most of it is complete. Maybe I keep on buying more land to expand my house, like we did it on Farmville, right? You played Farmville? The
Oh
game
my
we
God,
used to
yeah.
buy land and build more places, so that's what I'm doing in real life. So maybe if I like something, I'll get it and put it in.
Wow.
But I think because also I'm an architecture dropout, you know?
No way.
Final semester dropout architecture, so I know how to design.
Really?
Yeah, so when you go to my place, you will be amazed. तो यार मो का ये बड़ा अच्छा सीन है कि हर दफ़ा किट अपने साथ होती है। वो देखो पॉडकास्ट सारा, तो मो अभी मेरा पॉडकास्ट करने लगा है, तो मैंने कहा चलो कर लो पॉडकास्ट, ऑर्गेनिक अनप्लान्ड पॉडकास्ट।
Unplanned.
एंड
Really?
ही
It was unplanned.
इट्स लाइक अ न्यूज़ चैनल एंड मो चैनल, लेट्स डू इट। मो के चैनल पे लाजमी देखना पॉडकास्ट।
Every question you wanted to know from Anas, I will ask today.
या मस्ट वॉच हिज पॉडकास्ट,
No filter.
नो फिल्टर और ऑल ऑर्गेनिक, नो अनप्लान्ड पॉडकास्ट।
Okay. You sure you want to do this?
Why I'm speaking in this mic? Yeah.
So, Anas, thank you for coming today on the podcast. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, brother.
So today we have a very special guest. I don't think we need an introduction. Anas Ali,
Yeah.
25 years old. What's the secret?
The secret I've told you again and again. It's gold trading, and before that it's this mindset and three things: be consistent, never ever give up, and ignore the naysayers. Yeah.
He did some content with Feroz Khan.
Yeah, Feroz Khan. He's my very good friend. Yeah.
Now he's huge in Pakistan.
Yeah, he is the I think number one actor in Pakistan, and I am. Yeah.
Rumors have it you're working on a movie with him.
Yeah, we are in talks because maybe even Netflix movie or a drama.
Wow.
Yeah, and if I like it, because as I told you, I'm a businessman. If I like it, if it's profitable, then why not produce 2 shows or 2 movies every year? Like even Ambani's have their own entertainment now. I think Red Chilies or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So obviously, you do a lot of things. You even did a boxing match with Rajab Butt, and you won. But a lot of people think that you paid to win.
I didn't pay him.
The reason I say this is obviously you gave him a Ford Raptor, which is, it's like, that's a lot of money. So I would watch it and say he kind of bribed his win.
Definitely, because it was my idea to conduct the match, and I proposed him the business proposal, and he said, okay, I will fight. And the match was fair. अभी पॉडकास्ट खत्म किया, मो ने एकदम से प्लान बना लिया, घंटा बैठ के हमने पॉडकास्ट किया। मो, we came to party, we came to barbecue,
Guys,
and
let's go back to barbecue. Khalas.
you're just creating content 24/7.
Yeah.
Film machine. वो देखो रैबिट नजर आया हमें।
What's the name?
ओह नाइस, मैं ज़माने बाद रैबिट देख रहा हूँ। ओह इट रिमाइंड मी ऑफ माय रैबिट। नहीं, आई थिंक वो भाग जाएगा। क्या एज है इसकी?
Yeah, the one you want.
ओह
Anas, are we gonna have rabbit for dinner?
रैबिट इज हलाल बाय द वे। खिलाता हूँ उसको। ये खाओ, क्या खा रहे हो? Should I rev?
Yeah.
Maybe I do race mode.
Oh my God. How much does it cost to maintain the Bugatti?
I think it's about 30,000-40,000 for annual service, or 30,000 for oil. Maybe I think $100,000 per year you need. And if your car is insured, you also need to pay the insurance per year. It's about I think $200,000.
$200,000.
Yeah. And it's a hypercar. You need to pay extra. For example, I was 24 when I bought it, so I had to pay extra for it. Lambo सुनाते हैं अब मो को.
Wow, this is your first car.
In Dubai.
In Dubai, exactly. So, let's see. Definitely louder. answer now.
Yeah. This is like more show off. वो क्या कर रहे हो?
I'm manifesting Bugatti.
You can understand?
Yeah.
What did I say?
What are you doing?
Oh. So the chai is coming, Karak chai. I want you to try Karak chai. It's the same in India, Pakistan, Bangladesh.
If I drink this chai, I'll have Bugatti.
No,
So why are you drinking?
one dirham. It's 1 dirham chai.
So you can buy 4 million chais with this Bugatti.
Yeah, definitely.
Crazy, huh?
I think we should sell it and get 4 million chais then.
Bro, really, it's better investment.
Dirham?
1 dirham ki ek. Oh, bro, it's $4 million.
Oh,
Yeah.
4 million. It's 1 dirham, not $1.
I will pay him now 4 million, bro.
4 million dirham. मैं ऐसे बैठा है कह रहा गाड़ियाँ नहीं निकालने देनी मैंने. More protein shake is also coming. Chai plus protein shake.
let's go. Amazing.
Then Jim, do some dumble.
Yeah, let's go.
चाह रही है चाह आंधी पई है. वो बाहर से बंदा गुजरा था, मैक्लारन को देख रहा था, मैंने कहा बुगाटी देख ले अंदर. Oh, I got protein shake for you.
Let's go.
पर चीनी तो नहीं है अंदर. पता नहीं केरा प्रोटीन शेक आ गया. Mo, is it good?
I'm smelling it first.
I think it's Manila Way or something.
It's nice.
So we're sitting here right now. Anas, this is your phone, no?
Yeah.
Okay.
वो मेरे फोन की जान नहीं छोड़ा. ट्रेडिंग कर गोल्ड ने मरवा दी भाई. Bro, I
don't
came
want
to
your
enjoy,
gold.
to
I
chill,
want
to
see-
barbecue.
I want to see your crypto wallet.
Mo, this is called chai. Asia में मैं भूल.
Pakistani
In our households, everyone drink it 3-4 times a day.
Wow.
It has chini hai? You have to drink it like,
Bro, it's hot. That's why you have to do it.
just, that's why you have
Bro, I'm
to.
not trying to burn my lips.
No, that's the trick to drink a chai. Try पीने की trick ये देखो, see this.
You go.
He earns from those lips, man.
Okay.
He needs
Okay,
to
but that's like the soft way. Like I want to, you know.
No, then you will burn. You will get the.
Aiwa.
That's the way. Huh?
Aiwa.
चाय पीनी सिखा दी है Mo.
It's a mini sip, sir.
And some burger boys think this is a pendu way of drinking, है ना? चुस्कियाँ लेके चाय नहीं पीनी चाहिए, ऐसे वो ड्रामे बचपन में लगते थे ना. बात ये हमें टाइम नहीं मिला लोगों को बुलाने का, तो हमारी पार्टी में अभी 3 लोग ही हैं. दिस इज बारबेक्यू, वी डिड इट आवरसेल्व्स. या हमने खुद बाहर जाके बारबेक्यू बनाया सारा. मिलियनेयर एडिशन बारबेक्यू.
So right now we're having a barbecue. You know, Anas was nice enough to cook us some Pakistani food
Yeah, I cooked it myself.
himself, handmade. You know.
Yeah.
Basically, you paid for it, so you made it.
Protein.
Guys, this is Pakistani mendi.
Asian food. Yeah.
Pakistani Karachi.
South Asia.
Mo, this is kadai.
Alright.
Kadai. But our foods in Asia and Pakistan, they have a lot of oil. See,
Bro,
they
I'm not
check the oil. That's why everyone has problems. Has
I
problems.
have a
They-
flight. If I eat this, I'll not be on the flight.
Check the oil.
Bro, if I eat this, I'll be.
This is very common.
I know.
This is desi ghee, healthy. And more, this is kalwanji wala naan.
This looks amazing. Halwanji naan.
Yeah.
Guys, welcome to Pakistan. How will they know where we are? We could be in Pakistan right now.
Yeah.
We're in Anas Ali's house in Pakistan.
Nice soya nahi.
He's zoned out.
What are you thinking?
Bro, he saw your Bugatti, now you stressed him out. He wants a Bugatti. He's like,
He's doing his math.
Manifestation.
man, yeah, he's like,
It's spicy, no? Well, I think you will have to eat with the hand because yeah, the spoon is not working. Eat with the hand.
there's too many corners.
What is this? नबील भाई को बोला था जो जो मिल रहा है एशियन मंगवा लें. ये क्या है? उन्होंने तेल भेज दिया साथ. ये देखो.
इसमें रायता लग रहा है.
This and oil. If you need, they are saying if you have less oil, put more.
Also, is it for rice? You know, maybe.
Oil?
Yeah, because it's gravy. You know, like for extra gravy.
Oh, mo gulab jamun, bro, for meetha.
Yalla beta.
Yalla beta.
Yalla.
Gulab jamun. It's spicy. It's good.
I don't.
No?
Bro, what is this?
This is gulab jamun. This is national dessert of Asia.
Yeah.
You should try it.
Very famous.
Just one bite, small bite.
You know Gaimar?
No.
Yeah, Emirati, they have this round.
Yeah, I've seen.
It's
But I
a
don't
very
try.
unhealthy version of that.
But it is good. Try it. Will you put it all in one mouth? I don't know if this is good, but this is good. Gulab jamun, proper gulab jamun is
it's
good.
nice. It's nice, but very sweet.
Yeah, it's sweet. It's sweet. Its name is sweet.
You should have to try also.
No, no, no.
Try. You see? You see?
Yeah.
But I love Pakistani food. I like these type. It's spicy?
Yeah. One you are eating now.
Oh, it's nice. It's nice. You know, slowly.
Gulab jamun. Usually for me, it was like you would put one in your whole mouth, bro. You don't like eat it like that.
No, but I like it slowly, you know?
Slow and steady wins the race.
Sure.
तो यार खाना शाना खा लिया है, अब वापस दुबई बुगाटी को बेचने लगे हैं, रिकवरी आ गई है उसमें डालेंगे और फिर आपसे दुबई में मुलाकात होती है। Let's go, baby.
There goes the Bugatti.
तो भाईजान पार्क हो गई है। Mo, then you're going home?
Yalla. See you.
See you in Baku maybe or Bali?
Inshallah.
Okay, have a safe flight. No, I hope your stomach doesn't go bad.
Bro, if it does, I'm calling the police. I'm gonna say it was Anas Ali. He ruined my stomach.
No, bro, I will give you my Bugatti. Then you will.
Yeah, no problem.
I will take you to the hospital on my Bugatti.
See, he's bribing me, guys. He bribed me, you see?
Can you rev it? Can you rev it?
Okay, I will rev it. Good. Rev it again. वालेकुम अस्सलाम, क्या हाल है, कैसे हो? ठीक ठाक, आ गए वापस। बड़ी अच्छी पार्क की है मैंने, हैं। तो आज का व्लॉग यहाँ पे ख़त्म करते हैं। सब्सक्राइब कर लो, कि सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, बाकी आई एम वेटिंग फॉर यू एट द टॉप। आ जाना मील भाई, कुछ खाते पीते हैं।